Welcome to a new video. As there are a lot of requests to make a video on react-toastify, so I'm making this video, and our target will be to complete at least 5k subscriber in this year. So your support is needed for that. So please subscribe to the channel for this kind of interesting videos. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section for new videos, and the doubts what you have, I will definitely reply on it. So let's proceed. So first of all, I'll open a folder where I will be creating a React project for the demonstration of react-toastify. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just right click and then click on open in terminal, for which my terminal will be opened. And then I have to write some steps to create a React application, that is npx create React app. Then my app name, I will have my app name is react-toastify demo. Enter. So it will create a React application at this place. So let's give some time, and once this is completed installation, I'll back. So you can see the installation is done of the React project. Just clear the screen, and after the clearing this, to open this project, what I need to do, I need to navigate to it by writing cd and then the project name. Then I can write code dot, will open the VS Code. If VS Code is already installed in your system, it will open it. Then open a new tab, and there we have to search react-toastify. And the first link will come, react-toastify from npm. What you need to do, you just click over it, and there it will show the installation step. You need to copy it. Then you can navigate to terminal or VS Code. You can install it by just pasting it. Okay, but you have to note it is downloading inside that. So once you started the installation, it will take maybe 1 minute more to install this react-toastify. And once it is installed, then I will navigate to the project and show you. Okay, so in the meantime, what we can do, we'll just open our terminal, and from there I can write npm start, which will open our project. So let's see the installation is done or not. Yeah, the installation is done. So let it open. What we will do, we'll just go to this npm package, and there what we'll do, we'll just click on this link of the home page. From there we'll get to know like all the details or the documentation, which is the major part of user library. Okay, so what you need to do, here it is showing the steps. You need to follow this kind of steps, or you can just click on the documentation. I'll just open the documentation for more referencing. You can use this documentation. Okay, they're showing like how you can use these containers and all. So let me show in a real project for your better understanding. So you can see it's showing that our project is running. So let's check. Yeah, our project is also running here. So what we can do is to use this toast container. So how we can use it, you got the details from here. That is, we have to import this toast container and this message. So let's do it in our app.js, or at whatever place you need, you can use it. Okay, so assume I need it here. So let me import these two things, and after importing these two things, what I need, when I'll click on this paragraph, like where it is written edit src/app, and when I'll click on it, it should give me a alert message or a toast message. So how that will give, let me show you. So first of all, in the complete container, you have to import a toast container, which is also given by them. That is this one, this toast container. You can see a lot of properties is written right now, but for now we'll just import a simple thing, that is toast container. Nothing else will import just now. Okay, as it is we have to import. Then I have to set a position for now. That is top right, or any position you can take. But for now, I'll use top right. That means the position will be, that means the position of this toast should come at the top right corner. Okay. And I need that on click of it, that should trigger. So I can write on click, and there I have to pass a function. So this function will be uh, on click handler. So I have written on click handler is a function that would be triggered when I'll click on it. Const on click handler. So here what I need a toast message to be shown. So for showing of a toast message, these are the properties you have to use. But for now, we'll keep it simple. I'll explain all those things. Okay, I'll use first info, and in this info, I'll give a message. It have two parameters. The first one is the message, the second one is the options. So at the first one, this info one, I'll give a message of just subscribe to channel. Okay, I have given on click of it. But one thing is there which is missing. You can see it is not showing here. So what is that? We missed a CSS import. That also we need to do, which is not defined there. So you have to use that CSS. So let me show you that it's present somewhere. Okay, this is the CSS you have to use. Okay, just copy that as it is, then paste it just below that. Okay, and then if I'll go here and click on it, you can see at the right corner, subscribe to channel, it's showing, and it is showing in the blue color, and the theme is by default white color. So how we can change it? So see, the position means the position of the toast message. Right now it is selected to top left, but we have other option like top right, top left, top center, or top bottom left, bottom right, bottom center. I love it to keep at bottom left. Okay, so you may have other preferences, so you can put it anywhere based on your choices, but I'll keep it at bottom left. So I'll show you now. When I click on it, it is showing at this bottom left. Okay, so right now also you can ask me that there are a lot of properties but we are not using. So one is the theme. What is that theme means? Theme means right now it is showing you the white color, but if I'll write the theme to dark, because by default is light, so if I keep it dark and then show you, just clicking on it, you can see now it changed to black color, but previously it was showing what it was showing you white color. And there is one more thing that is colored, like you can keep the theme to colored. So when I'll click on it, you can see, okay, color or colored. Let me see that it's colored, COLORED. Okay, COLORED. Yeah, we have used it. I'll just click on it. Okay, now you can see it is showing us the colored. Okay, because I may not have refreshed this, so it is showing. Similarly, we can also have other options like right now we can also drag it from one place to another. That is the draggable property, and I'll just import these three properties and then explain you these three. Let me paste this. One is a pause on hover. Whenever I'll keep my cursor over it, then it will pause. It will not complete the progress, and the toast message would be draggable and pause on hover or pause on focus loss. So this all the things we'll see right now. When I'll refresh it, and then if I'll click on it, you can see if I hover over it, it stopped the progress bar. When I'll again go there, it again started. When I'll again come, it will like stop it, and it is now also draggable. You can drag it here there. Okay, so that draggable property is also there, and on pause and focus loss also is there. So let's see what is that other things like auto close. Auto close means automatically how much time it will take to close. Okay, you can keep it anytime. If I write 500, then if I'll click on it, you can see it is going very speed. Okay, so this you can manipulate like 2000, 3000 based on your needs and requirements. Okay, so there is one more thing, that is limit, which is not mentioned here but it is there. Okay, what I'm talking about, let me show you that. That is very important thing. Like if I'll click on it, it is coming like this many things, but we don't need it, right? We need to show very less number of uh, toast at a time, because user cannot read 10 toast at a time. So we can set the limit also by clicking on it. It can max so up to 3, and other will be stacked over it. Once that 3 is gone, at that time the next messages will pop up. Okay, so that is the limit property, which is not mentioned but it is also there. And you can also hide the progress bar, newest on top, close on click. Like when you click on it, it will close like this. I'll also show you what is click on close. Now if I'll click on it, and you can see it is there. When I'll click on it also, it will go without loading the progress bar. Okay, but it will pause on hover because we are applying this property. So let's see how we can change the color of it. Okay, so that also we'll see here. You can see there are multiple colors, like info is one color, success, warning, error. How you can use this? So right now I'm using info. If I will write error, so you can see now it will show red color instead of blue. Okay, similarly if I'll use uh, success, it will show me green color. Okay, so see it is showing me green color. Similarly there is another warning, so warning is yellow color. Okay, so you can see the warning is yellow color, which is coming here. So like this you can modify and use this react toast, which is very good. Okay, but one more extra thing I want to mention, that here also you can pass the positions, like positions and all those things you can mention, like how to auto close or not, progress should be there, or color transition, everything you can also define as an object what you defined here. Okay, because see, one toast should not look everywhere same. You may have some error toast, you may have some success toast, you need to change it based on the needs. Okay, so that's all for today in this video. If this video is interesting, please subscribe the channel and give a like to this video for keeping me motivated to post this kind of longer videos. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.